Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use brackets for your website designing. As you know, brackets is very easy to use and it has friendly interface and it is smaller in size. So I'm going to use brackets. Just search brackets, enter. You'll find brackets.io. Just click on it. It just takes you to its website. Once the page is successfully loaded, you can download your brackets. Once you click on the download button, according to your internet speed, the download going to start. Here you can see it's only 76 MB. I am going to cancel my download because I already downloaded and installed it, minimizing the things. And just this is my brackets and I'm going to take it apart. And this one, web browser, just click on this live preview button. It will show what you are doing in HTML. See, once you click on the HTML codes inside the H1, you will see this thing will highlight here, okay, so that you can change whatever you want. Okay, it will directly update and it will be very quick in real time. Before going to start this, I'm going to tell you something that create a new folder wherever you want. I'm just creating web page, okay, and then I'm going to place it here and double clicking on it, and then right click, new, then text document. I'm going to name it as index.html. I don't know, change it. Okay, it's not changing. Control V, Control C, Control V, and then I'm going to open this and file, save as, I think save as, and then in extension I'm going to give HTML save as. Okay, now you can see index.html changes to web page that is HTML format, and I'm going to delete the other one, delete, and this one I'm going to open. Then here also I'm going to save it as CSS because I'm going to styling style sheet dot CSS extension. We must give CSS extension, and then we are going to save this, and now you can see this icon and style sheet, and I'm going to delete this one. Okay, then we must put it on these brackets because we are not using this. Getting started, then clicking on the open folder. I'm not going to save this, just browsing this thing. Okay, this one is my folder, and select folder. Now you can see the extension HTML. Okay, then this one HTML, and the other one style sheet. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to show you guys how to program in these brackets. And if you go to live preview, you will see nothing is there here, it's empty. Thank you guys, check my